yes, I had my iced coffee, and as you can tell by the balloons in there, it was John's birthday yesterday. I wanted to vlog a little bit, but actually I just decided to keep it kind of private and fun. We had a really great day. You know, definitely different times having a birthday celebration. So we really just kind of hung out here and did little gifts, and yeah, it was a really, really nice day. And I know he's excited to be 34. We still feel 21, right? Maybe not. But I'm very excited about this day in the life vlog because I'm showing you a few fun things. First off being, I know I haven't done this in a while, but I'm gonna be bleaching some t-shirts. So I'm excited about that I'm gonna be putting up on my little Instagram shop, which I'm had to take a little bit of a break because it was during the holidays, and we had Z, which if you saw her little face peering out the window in there, she has a little doggy diaper on because she just had her space surgery a few days ago, and we're trying to keep that covered up since she hated the cone so much, did not want to wear it. And after a little bit of research, I found some little diapers that people recommend to keep it above her incision. So she's wandering around here a little bit, kind of still a little crazy, but she's very happy to be back home, and I'm glad that the surgery is over. But I'm gonna be doing some shirts today. I have several that I'm gonna be bleaching, and I'm excited to show you how I do that and what they look like afterwards, and then be putting those on my shop on Instagram. And then I'm also gonna do a little haul of some Valentine's Day things because I kind of want to decorate for Valentine's Day because we're getting close, and it's the end of January, and I mean Valentine's Day is February 14th, so you only have about 2 or 3 weeks to really celebrate it. So I'm gonna get to work on getting everything ready for these shirts, and I'll show you how I bleach them, and then we're gonna come back in and I will show you what I got for my Valentine's Day haul. And as you can see, I have my shirts ready to go already with the rubber band around them. There's bunches of different ways you can do it. I just choose probably the simplest way to do it just because it's the easiest for me. And I really like the way the design turns out when I do it this certain way. So I'm ready to see how these shirts are gonna look. A lot of them are older, so I'm hoping that the bleach will take really well. And I'm gonna go out on my little workspace, which is my our porch out there, and I will show you what these shirts will look like after we get them bleached. And obviously we'll be working with bleach right here. And one of the most important things that you need to remember if you are gonna be bleaching your shirts is to have gloves ready, because you definitely do not want this getting on your hands. I don't think I have to explain it to you. It will hurt very badly and not good for your skin. So definitely, if you're thinking about bleaching, have your gloves ready too. You also want to do this outside, and I always do it out here on our deck. And I have a little tub that I always use also so that I can place the shirts in there to get all the bleach, so I can fully cover the areas that need to be bleached and it's not getting everywhere. And of course, you definitely don't want to have any pets. Obviously, we can keep Z inside here and close the door, so you don't want any pets or children or you know, anyone around that could possibly get hurt by the bleach. So that's a really key thing to remember too, and always do it outside just because you don't want to be breathing any of that. And once I get the shirts out, I'm gonna line them up around here on the edges. Okay, so as you can see, the shirts are definitely turning. Each one, the older the shirt, the better it's going to look. I was hoping this one was gonna look really cool, but it doesn't look like it's switching as much. But the rest of them, they're turning out really, really good. You don't want to leave your bleach on for too long. I'm actually getting ready to take those out because it is bleach. If you leave it on too long, it's gonna start seeping through and it will make holes and it will just eat the shirt up. So I'm gonna let these rest for just a few more minutes. Then I'm gonna cut these open and then let them air for just a few minutes, and then we'll put them in the dryer and I will show you the finished project. And here are the finished products. I think they actually turned out really good, except for the Star Wars one, which the bleach didn't seem to take, and that sometimes happens. I mean, it looks like it got a little on there, but this is definitely a newer shirt, so maybe it just didn't have, you know, that vintage touch to take the bleach. But the rest of these look really, really good. I'm really excited about them. I'm fixing to wash them, and then I will show you what they look like when they are dry. And yeah, I'm really pleased with the way that they turned out. And as I was bleaching the shirt, John took a little break from work, being the best pup dad to Z.
Pups.
Hey, it was your birthday yesterday.
Yay.
What's the best thing about being 34?
Another year wiser, I guess.
Do you like how you have 2 different colored balloons? Because I popped the other 3 and had to get this rose gold one.
Just more color.
Yeah, more color. I think this is such a Hulk Hogan font, even though you said you don't think it is.
It's supposed to be like graffiti, but whatever.
I know, that still looks good. But what was your favorite part of your birthday?
spending it with you.
And
The Zeester.
who's in a diaper.
With a little diaper on.
So happy birthday, John!
Yay!
And as you can see, this is the remnants of the birthday cake that we've been eating on since Saturday. So for a little birthday surprise, I rented out a movie theater for John, which you can do that on AMC. And it is incredible and a really good price. And you get the theater all to yourself. And we watched Back to the Future. And we brought this cake and we have been snacking on it since Saturday, which it is now Thursday. So you can see we really enjoyed this cake. And there's little baby Yoda, or Grogu, if you've caught up on the series. And it was a fun cake, and yeah, so definitely enjoying the birthdays over here. All right, so I have changed clothes because my clothes smell like bleach, which that is a very common thing that happens after you are bleaching shirts. So I have rinsed off and have a new sweatshirt on. And I'm going to show you a few things, which I've already looked at the shirts. They're currently drying right now. They're almost done. I cannot wait to show you. They actually look really, really good. So I'm really excited about this batch. But first, I'm going to show you what I got from Target, which it's, you know, holidays, especially with everyone being in quarantine. Everything this year, I feel like all the holiday stuff goes super fast. So this is a few things that I got probably about 2 weeks ago, and everything was going so fast, but I want to make sure I had a few little Valentine's Day decorations so that I can make it feel so lovey around here. But first up, this, I think it was my last video, but I'll go ahead and show it again. And it's this cute little rainbow. I love it. And I think this is something that can be a year-round thing. And I just have it over here to add a little bit of brightness, so that's really cute. I also got these lights, as you can see here. Threshold, they actually make a lot of really good lights, and I'm actually gonna, this is in the warm white color, so they have like a bunch of different options of what you can see, but I'm actually gonna use these also for a photo to wrap around my camera and try something kind of cool. But I'm also gonna use it to decorate probably in front of our TV and just put a few lights up because I think those are kind of romantic and pretty looking. Next up is a banner, which we love a banner. This is just a simple one that says love on it, so super cute and really fun. I think this go above our fireplace or above the TV area, and I don't know, I just liked it. It was $8, so it's not too bad. And a lot of these banners, I get these from Target and I use them year after year, and this will be one that I can save on to and use next year. I got some of this Magic Dragon. This is cotton candy. There's really no other reason to have it except I'm hoping that it tastes good and it might be a fun little prop for a picture, but also it's glittery inside, so I don't know, it's just fun. I hope it tastes good. We can see. I got these little straws. How cute are these? They're only $3, so that's not bad at all. I thought these would be just really fun to have for the month of February, and plus, I mean, you can kind of use these anytime anyway. They're just little red hearts, but especially cute this time of year. I also got these streamers to hang up, and I'm probably gonna do a photo shoot with these for a Valentine's Day thing with my husband and I. And it's really easy to make backdrops, especially with things like this. You can get at the Dollar Tree, Target, anything. A lot of them only probably range from $5 to $10 for banners that you can hang up. And this is a great backdrop for photos. So I'm definitely gonna do that. And along with this, I'll probably pose with this really cute balloon. So this doesn't have the price on here, but I'm sure this was under $10. And yeah, something that says love, and you can keep this up for February 14th, even beyond if you really want to, but I know we'll be getting ready for spring. And I love all the pink and the red, so I'm very excited about this little Target haul that I just did. And again, if you want to do something for photographers, or if you're trying to do something for Instagram, I definitely recommend these banners. These are really, really good for backdrops, and you can do a lot of different things with them, and they have so many different colors, and they're easy just to put up and take down. So definitely remember that if you're going to do a Valentine's Day or any other photo shoot in the near future. And here they are in all their glory. And these are a few older ones that I'm excited to finally put on the shop. Again, I will let this Force Awakens shirt, I kind of want to keep it, but I have too many Star Wars shorts as it is, and I love this Universal one so much, I might have a hard time parting with it. But I can't wait to put these up on the shop, and again, I'm really pleased with how they turned out. Right, Z? Z agrees. Now I think I'm going to do a little bit of Valentine's decorating, and yeah, so we'll see if we can make it look a little bit more lovey up in here. I think the banner is so cute. I love the way that it looks. And as you can see, I just put it underneath our little box, our cable box, and then just taped it over to the side over here. I think it's fine and looks cute. I love this. I love the twinkly lights. And they're super easy to use. As you can see, it's just got a little compact back here. We can turn them off, or a timer, and then just turn them back on. So yeah, taking a little break from decorating. Z is feeling a little bit better, and we're going on a very light, short walk today just because she has so much energy. But like I said earlier in the video, she did get spayed a couple of days ago, so definitely keeping it easy and not pushing it too much, even though she really wants to. But we're just gonna take it easy and go on a nice walk. And we are done with our walk. I am gonna go home and have a light lunch and finish decorating, and yeah, and we'll see what else we can get into on the rest of this day in life. We are back from our walk, and another thing that I forgot to show in my Target haul, because I actually placed this over in another cabinet because I got it about I don't know, like right after Christmas ended. But this is a really cute little table runner I got. It's from Opal House that you can buy at Target, and I'm gonna put it in our den area in there, and I just think it would be a super cute festive Valentine's Day edition. As you can see, Z is chomping on her food with her diaper back on. But yeah, so I'm gonna put this up and finish decorating just a little bit. Even though it's super early, I'm still gonna blow up this balloon, and I don't know, I might try to put it up here. I think that might be a cute little way to put it. I'm not sure if it will last super long, but I mean, we get these type of balloons. We've got them for our birthday for the last few years, and they stay for a pretty long time. So maybe this will make it to Valentine's Day. If not, at least maybe we can get a cute video and a cute pictures with it. So we'll see. Let's blow it up. It feels so nice to have rinsed off and not sweaty from my walk anymore. After cleaning up a little bit, I'm gonna have a late lunch, and it's actually, we'll probably be deciding if we're gonna cook or order dinner in the next probably like 2 or 3 hours, so something super light for right now. And I'm gonna have this buffalo ranch chopped salad from Trader Joe's. I've had it one other time before, and it was really, a lot of times they don't have it. So it's a complete salad kit, and yeah, this is what I'm gonna make for lunch. So I have my salad. It's actually pretty easy to make. Some of the packaging was a little bit difficult to open, but I have my salad. I'm gonna go finish up a little bit of work, and then Don's gonna come upstairs, and we're gonna decide what we're gonna do for dinner. And yeah, so we'll just continue on this day in the life. Finally, dinner time. John had a super long work day. I got a lot of work finished as well. And we're gonna do, instead of doing takeout tonight, which we do a lot, but something that I like to do that's almost as easy since it is a little bit later tonight, just to cook ourselves. But I'm gonna show you our favorite thing that we're loving from Trader Joe's right now. And it is this spaghetti cacio e pepe. I probably didn't say it right, but you can see it right here. And what I like to do is it gives you 2 options. You can do it in the microwave, which we've done before, but you can kind of make it a little bit of your own. Doing it in the skillet, you can add a little bit more olive oil, which is really good, which is also from Trader Joe's, as you can see. A little bit of salt, some water, kind of make it a little bit creamier. We're gonna put some cheese on there that's really good. And I have some bread that we're gonna have with some more olive oil. But yeah, I'll just take you through how we get this together. And also the portion sizes are really small, because when you first see it, it's like in these little like balls kind of. And if you're doing more than one person, I would definitely recommend 2 bags. So with that being said, we're gonna get started on dinner. As you can see, it is bubbling. Looks so good. And this is one of our favorites. And I'm actually going to use this cheese on top of it. And this is a cheese that I saw actually on TikTok that was recommended. It's finally done with work. Yay, and we have food. You like this. This is good work from Trader Joe's.
very good.
This is a good one. I don't have clothes on, but I do. But made dinner, and I'm so glad he's home. I missed him. Well, from upstairs, but you know what I mean.
Yeah.
But I hope you enjoyed this day in the life video, and you found some new hacks on how to do dinner. And have you seen our Valentines? You've missed all of it in there.
Valentine.
Yeah. So
Yay.
decorating and everything. And thank you so much. And happy birthday to John.
Woo.
And we'll see you next time.